Once there was a old farmer in a village who had vast farming land. He had a sweet, loving wife, and the couple was a kind of role model to the villagers. People would come to them and ask the secret of their happy life. But his wife died few years ago, and in remembrance of her, she gave a watch to him as a promise to stay with him forever, and he would wear it happily always in her memory. The old man spends most of his time usually in the farm with his dog and sometimes playing with small children and sharing stories of his life to the young people. It so happened one day when the old farmer had too much of work in the farm. He finally completed his work and on the way back to home, he noticed that the watch which he wears always in remembrance of his wife was not there, as he lost it. He searched everywhere but couldn't find it. Then he told to give a reward to those who would find the watch and give him. All the villagers went down to the field and started to search for the watch everywhere but couldn't find it. Villagers tried many times to search it but couldn't find it again. All thought that the old farmer might lost it somewhere else and they went on. The old farmer felt so sad and didn't eat that day. After few days, a child came to the old farmer in hurry and said, "I have found the watch and here it is." The farmer could not believe this, how a small child would find it. He then asked the child, "How did you find it when no one else could find it before?" The child replied, "I was sad and I went to the farm when no one was there. Then I sat for peace. I heard the ticking sound. When I searched, it was watch. And see, here it is." The old farmer felt so happy and gave to the boy the sweetest fruit grown in his farm. In modern world, we are constantly bombarded with many thoughts like color, power, salary, beauty, fitness, wealth, status and so on, where there is no satisfaction at all, and surprisingly, we don't know why we are chasing them and how they are ruining peace in our life. Let us ask a simple question. When is the last time you smiled with complete peace of mind? Strangely, many of us don't know the answer, which means there must be something to change in ourselves to attain peace of mind. For a person who has peace of mind, nature guides him to the solution of problems, which in turn leads to the happiness in life. Peace of mind is not a material to gain. It is the inner state of mind to change the outer world.